Hi, today I'm running Galaxy A03 and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So let's first open the settings, then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here click to volume section and to unmute ringtone, slide to the right side this volume panel with your finger. Also you could do this with the help of the volume buttons, but first turn off this switcher to use volume keys to change the ringtone, and now with the press of the up volume button, one more time. Volume, okay, turn off the switcher, and now with the press to the upper volume button we just successfully unmuted the ringtone volume. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.